this is test number 2. Okay, test 2. Now, changed the mixing board. Okay, the signal is coming a little bit low. Let's raise it up a little bit. Check 1, 2. Okay, that is pretty good. Let's see what the noise level is with the microphone on. Well, at around minus 55 dB, so that's pretty darn, well, good, or better than, what was it, minus 20 last time with the other mixing board. So I still can hear, but I think that noise is coming from either the microphone or the preamp. But if I turn the microphone off, there's a bit of a switch here. Let's see what happens to the noise. So I'm going to go quiet a little bit. Yeah, so that was the, it's coming from the balanced, still balanced light from the microphone, so the microphone is noisy. Well, look at that. Not a studio mic, I guess. Now, if I switch the input, high impedance to low impedance, see if it makes any difference with noise. So, well, I don't know if the button says high impedance, so it's low impedance. I have to look at the manual to see what they consider it to be. This is a Mackie board. What's the number? Model number? Pro FX6 version 3 Mackie board. Little Mackie board with some effects. Some effects. Okay. All right. So now I'm going to go quiet, and I'm going to switch the input impedance from high to low and low to high, but I'm not sure which is which because it doesn't say the position of the button. It doesn't say which is high, which is low. I'm just going to toggle that and see if it makes any difference with the noise. I don't think it does, at least with this microphone. So I guess that's it. Now let's see how this thing is going to sound like. Is it going to be bearable for recordings for YouTube or not? Or does it still have to be run through the noise filter on Adobe Premiere? But that would involve extra processing of the materials recorded. Well, I guess it depends on what I want to accomplish. Okay, I'm going to hear it back.